Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a junk car with a title. First, ensure you have your vehicle's title and any service history ready. Next, remove all personal belongings and give the interior a good clean. Finally, take several clear, well-lit photos of your car from various angles to showcase its condition to potential buyers. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth selling process. Now, let's determine your car's worth. Research current scrap metal prices in your area. They often fluctuate but can be around $200 per ton. Consider your car's specific make, model, and its overall condition. You have a few options: selling to a junkyard, finding a private buyer, or contacting a salvage dealer. Each offers different benefits, so weigh them carefully. Before the exchange, some preparations are essential. First, secure a bill of sale form. Many templates are available online for free. This document protects both you and the buyer. Second, remember to remove your license plates from the vehicle before the transaction is complete. Finally, be ready to openly discuss your car's history and any known issues with interested parties. Transparency builds trust. To finalize the sale, accurately sign the vehicle title over to the new owner, ensuring all fields are correctly filled. Hand over the completed and signed bill of sale to the buyer for their records. Lastly, and very importantly, notify your state's Department of Motor Vehicles about the sale. This step helps protect you from future liabilities associated with the vehicle. Congratulations on selling your junk car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.